Why, good morning, my friends out there in the YouTube world. It is a marvelous day today. I am off tonight, so I am starting my weekend right now. Today, right now, I'm done work for the weekend. So I'm going to have me a 3-day weekend, going to have me a good time. Gonna go do some shit. So, this video is a gratitude video for everybody out there that has subscribed to my channel. We did it. We finally hit 1K, 1,000 subscribers. You know, in all reality, I never thought I was going to get there. But we did it, and I really got to send a special thank you to Eric from Kraken's Garage. I'm sure you all know who he is. He is well known and well loved around the YouTube community. He saw, after I put out my last video, that I was 10 shy of 1,000 subscribers. So I had 990 subscribers, and I had been at that number for a couple weeks there. But he threw it up on Instagram and YouTube. He made a call to all his followers to come follow me, come subscribe to me. And they came out and they did it. And they knocked me over the 1,000 subscriber mark. So Eric, man, I appreciate that. You are the fucking man. And to show my gratitude and appreciation, I'm going to sing a song for you. Now, I'm not that good of a singer. Just want to throw that out to you right now because, you know, I kind of suck at it, but I'm going to do it anyway. Me. All right, Eric, this is for you, buddy. Did I ever tell you you're my hero? You're everything I wish I could be. Eric from Kraken's Garage. I can fly higher than an eagle. 'Cause you, Eric, you are the wind beneath my wings. Hope you liked it, buddy. So, yes, we hit the 1,000 subscriber mark. And, yeah, it's been a long time coming. I've been doing this. I put out my first video almost 6 years ago. Yeah, so, you know, kind of tells you how much I suck. So, anyway, I have been noticing a trend, though. Even though I haven't put out a whole lot of videos since I bought the Harley, I have been noticing a trend. In almost every video I talked about the Harley, or I had the Harley out and put the Harley out, or whatnot there. I have been receiving a lot of thumbs down. More than usual. I'd go videos, you know, 10, 15 videos at a time when I was on a Vaquero without a thumbs down or anything. Surprised the shit out of me, but all of a sudden, ever since I moved to the Harley, I'm getting more and more of them. And it's fine. It's your opinion. You're allowed to have your opinion. But if you want to, do me a favor. Comment down below and let me know why you're giving me the thumbs down. You know, if I can change something up for you, if, you know, you just don't like the fact that I went to a Harley from the Kawasaki, tell me that. You know, I'm just kind of curious why all of a sudden that I believe it's every video I put out since I bought this bike, or maybe one hasn't, there has been at least one thumbs down. So I'm just kind of curious as to why. And like I said, leave a comment. Let me know why. You know, you are entitled to your opinion. If you don't like my videos, you don't like my videos. That is totally you're within your rights not to like my videos. It's your opinion. But yeah, give me a reason why you don't like them. You know, just let's start a little conversation here. You know, we can have a talk about it if you want to. I'll be more than willing to. So, again, I say, I want to thank each and every subscriber from subscriber 1 to 1,000 and beyond, because I am slightly beyond 1,000 right now. As of this recording, I think I'm at like 1,015 to 1,020, somewhere in that neighborhood. So I do want to thank each and every one of you for subscribing to my videos, watching my videos, commenting. You know, it's been a pleasure to get to know, you know, even if it's just through comments and YouTube and Instagram or, you know, social media. It has been a pleasure to get to know a lot of you guys, a lot of you girls and guys out there in the YouTube world. It is cool. I've met a few of you, and I've really had a great time talking to you guys and interacting. The interaction is like the best part of this. You get to meet a lot of new people. You get to be friendly with people, and yeah. So I just want to thank you, like seriously, from the bottom of my heart. I want to thank each and every one of you. You know, it is greatly appreciated that you do subscribe, you do watch, and you do comment. It's an awesome thing. So here's where I'm going to end the video, and you know, I'm going to go home and I'm going to enjoy my long weekend. So until next time, my friends, I hope you can see the sunrise behind me. So until next time, my friends, y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. Thank you again. Peace.